Do you ever feel like you're leaving money on the table just because managing payments as a content creator is a constant headache? You're producing amazing content, building a loyal audience, and maybe you're getting paid for brand deals, sponsored posts, or even selling digital products. But how efficient is your cash flow, really? Are you constantly chasing invoices, waiting for platform payouts, or juggling multiple payment apps? If your content creation hustle feels financially messy, it's time to talk about simplifying your income stream using a tool you probably already have access to, Zelle. For content creators, especially those starting out or dealing with smaller, faster payments from brands or direct sales, Zelle can be a game changer. It's an instant, bank-to-bank transfer service available through most major U.S. banks. Unlike some other platforms, there are typically no transaction fees for sending or receiving money. This means more of your hard-earned revenue stays in your pocket. So, how do you actually integrate Zelle into your financial workflow? We've got 3 simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Set up a dedicated business email or phone number. While you can use your personal Zelle account, we highly recommend setting up a dedicated business bank account and linking a unique business email address or phone number to its Zelle profile. This keeps your personal and business finances strictly separate, which is crucial for tax season and tracking your creator income. If a brand asks how to pay you quickly, you simply give them your dedicated business Zelle contact. No need to share sensitive account numbers. Step 2. Use Zelle for micropayments and quick transfers. Zelle isn't ideal for large, complex international transfers, but it excels at quick, domestic, dollar-for-dollar payments. Think of it for things like receiving a partial payment upfront for a small brand collaboration, getting paid back by an assistant or collaborator for a shoot expense, selling a low-cost, digital product directly to a follower, receiving quick payment for a one-off consultation call. Because the funds transfer almost instantly, it significantly speeds up your cash conversion cycle. You get paid, and that money is available in your bank account right away to cover your next piece of gear or subscription. Step 3. Document and track everything. Just because the payment is fast doesn't mean you can skip the paperwork. This is the most crucial step for integrating Zelle properly. Every time you receive a payment via Zelle, issue an invoice, even if it's after the fact. State the amount, the service provided, and note payment received via Zelle. Use a financial tracking app, like QuickBooks or even a simple spreadsheet. Log the Zelle transaction immediately. Categorize it as sponsorship income, product sales, or whatever applies. Use the Zelle notification as your initial record. Most banks send an email confirmation. File these confirmations in a dedicated digital folder. By following these 3 steps, you transform Zelle from just a way to split the dinner bill into a powerful, fee-free component of your content creator cash flow engine. It helps you get paid faster, maintain clear financial boundaries, and ultimately, spend more time creating and less time chasing money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.